Ladies and gentlemen, it's Christmas, and so I figured for the occasion I would create something rather special. That's right, I'm going to create some twinkling Christmas lights. The idea is I'd have 4 green lights and 4 red lights, and the whole circuit would first turn on all of the green lights and then turn on all of the red lights, and they would alternate, making a very nice twinkly Christmas whatever. I decided I would use this little 555 timer chip for the construction. Let's see what we can do. Now, to give you a sense of what I mean, I'm just going to wire these things up. Something like this, where all of the green lights will turn on, and then all of the red lights will turn on. And of course, we'll use this 555 timer. Here's my design. You can see that 4 of the LEDs are connected to the output of the timer, and the other 4 are connected to an inverted output of the timer, and then all of these LEDs outputs are shorted to ground. And there we go. This blue wire here is our output. Now I've already put a 220 ohm resistor on the output of the timer so that we don't fry our little LEDs. But now, let's test our circuit on just one of the LEDs. Connect this to ground. Connect this to power. Okay, we're ready to go. Now all we need to do is plug it in. Hey, it's working! Look! It's blinking! Nice. Now, all we need to do is wire up the rest of the LEDs and hook everything up to ground. For this first test, I'm not sure if you can see it properly, I wired all the green LEDs in series, and we're going to see if it even turns on. Also, I changed the capacitor here so that it oscillates a little bit faster. It's not working? Oh yeah, it's because everything is in series. I guess that means I'll need to wire everything in parallel then. Oh well. As you can see, I've gotten all the green lights working. Now, we have to wire up the red lights. And to do that, we're going to need to make sure they turn on when the green lights turn off. And for that, I have a very simple solution. The 74HC14N. Now, what this little chip allows me to do is to basically invert a signal. So I just gotta hook it up to power and ground, which I will do. It seems that every time I try to film something, all the noise in the world comes rushing to the forefront. I wish I had a door here, because look at this. My room literally doesn't have a door. Leave a comment, hashtag give Codex a door. So here's the circuit with the inverter wired up. Now I just need to connect all the outputs to the red LEDs to ground, and hopefully we should have a very nice little Christmas display for the holidays. There we have it, guys. Our blinking Christmas LEDs. Let's plug it in. Let's see if it works. Hey! It's kind of working. So I attached the input of the inverter to ground so that all of the outputs should be on. But you can see here, if you ignore the blinking, only 2 of our LEDs are switched on, which means I'm guessing I put them in backwards. And if I haven't... Yes, that was the problem. They were in fact in backwards. Let that be a lesson, guys. Reverse polarity supply. Now, if I hook this back up to this, There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have it. Our toggling Christmas lights. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you learned something, like how not to wire a breadboard. That's it for me. Codex, out.